Congratulations, you also get 8450 amazing bonuses plus my 5k premium bonuses, so absolutely free guys. So watch video, come skip this video guys. Hi guys, my name is AK, I am reviewer YouTube channel. My name in this video of income training kit review. So watch video completely guys, don't skip this video guys. I will upload many more videos on daily basis of the digital product review, software review and JView, WordPress or many more. So if you really like this my video also, please hit the like button, smash the subscribe also guys. So let's get started of this video guys. Now we'll see guys, this is the official website of this Of Income training kit. This is a top selling Of Income training kit. It's HD video course with unrestricted private label rights. Sell it to your own and keep 100% of this profit. This is limited PLR opportunity guys. You can even sell this private label rights to this package to your customer. So claim unrestricted private label rights to promote to sell course and DFE reseller kit, sales page, sales video, training guide and graphic swipes and articles etc. So top quality videos handle on odd niches that sell the like hotcakes and screen recorded HD videos to deliver best customer. So sell your high-end licensing deal private label rights to your package. So now this unrestricted private label rights package or you ticket to financial freedom to long read. So my country is not allowed this video so playing, but if your country definitely allowed for this video, you will watch this video. Now we'll see guys, just to get code to make this fortune in the finally crack. So do you even wonder how to top marketer easily make a big to make even in time? Selling marketer think there is the between what they do, their money. The reality is and profit. That product guys, whether you use a top converting product or niche, if you get way to a successful online. So we know this because we have been selling training course, how the industry has changed. The day of tossing your poverty return, tap 30 pages of ebook, the clickbank, the catching in the gone, you will try. So it's also due to the competition, you want to offer the standout from crowd, which could only be to sell something of true value and friendly. So keep in mind, we have made it a full training product addressing this segment of make money online niche that's growing at a speedy rate, disruptive gloaming and economic uncertainty, and this affiliate marketing guys. So affiliate marketing is a popular tactic to drive sales and generate significant of 7-figure in online revenue. Yes guys, seriously guys, this is one of the world's best method of this affiliate marketing guys, because affiliate marketing is one of the best and you can making 7-figure online income is very so. Since this rapid growth of 2010, this affiliate marketing remains one of the most popular strategy to drive sales and generate passive income. This concept behind is promote this offer people's product, and when someone buy to your affiliate link, you get commission. Yes guys, as more people are more online, it gives the rise of more and more digital as well as physical product. That's why it's the easiest way to make a profit online without any SL risk and extra cost. Moreover, based on Google Trends data, such interest in the query affiliate marketing has increased suddenly over the past few years between 2015 and 2021. Now such the interest is up to 200% guys. This is being said is like at the sum is affiliate marketing is according to affiliate marketing spending US around 8.2 billion of 2022. So more than triple what was this 10 years earlier. So 81% of advertisers or 84% of publishers in the US have turned to affiliate marketing. So 71% of affiliate publishers in the US work with that 3 or more network. So largest affiliate network have 100k affiliate affiliates. So affiliate publisher commission in the US. So 35% of affiliate maker at least $20,000 plus annual revenue from this affiliate marketing effort. So 74% of US online shoppers check multiple affiliate websites before deciding on the purchase. So 50% of affiliate traffic comes from this mobile devices. And 73 merchant reporters that their affiliate revenue meet their needs. So by looking this can know the power of affiliate marketing guys. This closer you look, this more you realize this affiliate marketing is a perfect way to dip your toes into the world of making money online. So the quick expensive method of actually selling this product is an understandable drive for this increase their income online. Affiliate marketing is one of the few cities where this impact of the with better opportunity. As a result is increasing financial uncertainty, the higher of these uncertain times have financial futures, making them seeking alternative money making opportunity. So and as affiliate marketing is trending as a free source to make a passive income easily, and more people are drawn towards seeking their financial security and this comfort of the laptop's lifestyle. So this is a clear and how do you complete video training program on this hot topic with affect any business in terms of profit of royalty. So any sense of selling digital product online is not only the fastest way to make quick bucks, but right now and flourishing business to gain long-term profit on customers. So marketers have now longer this are the own digital product to sell. At this point is several use secret. The selling training courses online is also good and profitable, but the selling private label rights is licensed quality training program is one of the strong strategies of top marketer. Use this consistency generate six-figure payout for this after year. So almost, but there is a problem as unfortunately product creation is not everyone's cup of tea. This also providing the extensive market research is quality product creation, writing groundbreaking sales page and creating professional graphics and sales page creation, developing and building product, making it download in easy. So sound thought this does not is especially when you have limited time budget to beat the market. But the golden egg unrestricted PLA license opportunity will make you do from zero to thousands of dollars in profit just 4 simple steps. Yes guys. Step 1, the download ready for this market product and put your name on it and upload it in your server and make instant sales and keep under guys. This is one of the best potentially take your month of work. It take just 4 steps with PLR world guys. Now we'll see guys, this is the place and pay.com is also delisted in this guys. The ClickBank, the blog generating video reviews, lead generation pages, social media ads and lot more. So proof that this product is key, this generating serious income for yourself guys. Now see guys, the real fact of this testimony is provided Mr. Eric Lane from Marathia, Georgia is also provided the good money online. He is happy with their product quality. See these guys, the today affiliates see this 263 bucks of almost earning this day. So moreover, I have made $137 something just 7 days of 4,481 bucks something in 30 days. JVZoo, see is a professional blog guys. So one of the best and real fact. Another one is Mr. Brandon Baker of Carter, the British Columbia, is affiliate marketer. Is back before this complete no knowledge of affiliate marketing, but I did not take the skill to get started with. I read about the different marketplaces and how the people are making fortune selling this other people's product. So after I learning these details of video, it took me only 4 days to start my own affiliate marketing business. I applied this knowledge and methods and share my start receiving decent traffic and income my affiliate promotion. See this message is saying. This see guys, this message also you will gain daily commission in a receipt you will sending in your inbox a regular best. So here my earning screenshot guys. So one of the best product guys, ready to generate this income like this for yourself. This is affiliate income training kit of this image also. And now come to this main point guys. Model number 1, this step-by-step video training videos value for $1,075 bucks of amazing product absolutely free guys. And another one guys, I will show you everything each and every step in this video guys. So don't skip this video guys because the video will be length, but much more information we will be providing for this video. We'll trying for guys, best one for guys. Okay. Now we'll see guys, chapter 1 what is affiliate marketing is how does it work, and chapter 2 is WordPress overview, and chapter 3 JVZoo overview, and chapter 4 ClickBank overview, and chapter 5 how to find this affiliate product in any niche and how to choose the best affiliate offer, and chapter 6 is product in WordPress how to promote a product of JVZoo, promote a product on ClickBank, and chapter selling niches of ClickBank. So chapter 11 how to find a bonus, and chapter 12 how to use engine, and chapter 13 how to do niche research for your Amazon affiliate blog. So premier training guide and affiliate income training guide, this resource of marketers guys is value for $1,295. So one of the amazing product guys. Now we'll see guys, lot of resources is providing for this. And model number 3 guys, chapter images value for 80 bucks is also for this Photoshop, and this chapter 1 to introduction almost guys. And model number 4 video raw file value for $995. This is also providing these amazing bonuses guys. Model number 5 is audio file value for $397. This also is model 6 for value for $555 video voice over script. And model number 7 10 unique article bundle is just one for $450 and again guys. And also one of the amazing product guys, it's value for $20. And model number 10 is value for $30. That's it for this guys. These all bonuses will be assessing guys. Now we'll see guys, almost additional for model number 11 is eye converting sales copy is $500, and model number sales video $580. And lot of model guys. Model number 13 is professional design graphics $280, and model number 14 is animated banner of $246, and model number 15 professionally created expert email templates model value for $36. So model 16 the professional mini site value $39, and model number 17 legal page of value for $52. So best part you get to keep in every cassette you make. Get up the package, now choose your licensing option. So it's affiliate of income training kit also providing these personal uses and unrestricted paid guys. And now see guys, this personal use for $9.95 only guys. But we will see the untrusted PLR is one of the best recommended kit because it's 14.91 only. You will access lot of animated banners and professional graphics and many more features, chapter images and lot of games. So believe me guys, this is definitely really worthwhile guys. Now we'll see guys, bonuses. Come to the main point of these bonuses. This outsource the success, and bonus 2 this website cache ideas, and bonus 2 success mindset, and high ticket sales secret of bonus 4, and bonus 5 is affiliate networking, and bonus 6 of freedom online business, and bonus number 7 Hastel for first client. So you will take all bonuses in your inbox after once you will purchase this product through my link. Plus wait guys, don't skip this video guys, because plus my additional bonuses also for you, 5000 worthable bonuses. In this video you will watch this. Alright guys, watching this video guys, and it's also amazing bonuses, it's also so don't miss it this guys, really worthwhile product guys, lot of provide testimonials is use also guys. So basic it million and ways to bank big, but the profit in training with such a private label rights option. Brilliant ways to bank with our affiliate income training kit is understood private label rights right option kit. What you can do, you can sell it a PLR packet every send you make. You can build it with your other PLR product. You can use this content, post on social media, profit, rearrange your followers. You can these bonuses, you can upsell, you can offer video product content, use ebook video content, repurpose of content, retain a paying member, feed them the ebook content, translate the content of other language, rename the rebrand of customize. So what you cannot do, the just two restriction guys. Yes guys. So you may not give away for entire training course for free. Yes guys. You may not give away for private label rights. Yes guys. So one of the best amazing product guys. Now let's recap everything just getting today. So all massive bonuses and value will totally give it for this 8,450 bucks of absolutely free guys. You will not paying money, only pay for this amount, this type of 9.95 or 14.95. So we'll choose which one product, which one services if you want need, then you can proceed guys. If you need anything you will buy, just you will take 8,450 plus my 5,000 affiliate in my plus bonuses also absolutely free for you guys. So don't miss it this guys, really best opportunity guys. So I will give my official blog also, you will read my blog and whatever it is I will explain each and every stake, plus pros and cons also I will explain guys. I will see guys my providing for this demo video also. You will watch this video also, I will give the link in the description below. You will check it out my blog and reveal the watch the video. Now see guys, another one. Okay, you can easily access my special bonuses guys. Once you will purchase product, you will access my clear and your receipt page. In your purchasing page you will easily inboxed in my special bonus link. So now we'll come to the guys, this affiliate training it pros and cons. This pros is very high guys, is top quality video items of odd nature product like the outlet. On HD video capture will provide viewers as 30-day money back guarantees, high level license of your customer to buy selling front end line right in this package. This cons is guys, no cons is found in this product guys. So this product really testable and worthable product guys. Lot of people providing this review also for the positive review. So believe me guys, definitely this product really worthwhile and you will making money, tons of money in passively in this future. So I hope each and every step I will explain guys. If you want need any doubt or any clarification, ask me in the comment section, and anything you want, just to you. Have a nice day.